All right, a little grease. This project's done other than the belt is pretty much shot, so I'll probably be able to mow for a minute or two, and that's it. And we're gonna hit the trusty PTO engage. All right, it's spinning. So as long as the belt lasts, which ain't gonna be that long, we're in business. Right on. All right, some high grass. Definitely high. So I don't know, I think these blades maybe would shot as well. Like I said, the belt is going to go any minute. But anyway, we're mowing. And that's a good sign.